If you want a simple system for keeping your personal projects organized, Evernote can be a really powerful all-in-one workspace. In this video, I'll show you how to use Evernote to manage personal projects, keep everything in one place, and make it easy to find your notes, tasks, and project files whenever you need them. By the end, you'll have a clean setup you can use for home projects, side hustles, goals, or any other personal plan you want to stay on top of. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is create a master project list. Open the Evernote desktop app and look at the left sidebar. Click on Notebooks, because that's where we're going to build the foundation of your project system. Now click New Notebook and give it a clear name, like Projects Master List. This notebook will act as your central overview, so every project you're working on has one simple place to be tracked. Next, inside that notebook, create a new note and title it Active Projects Tracker. This note is going to work like your dashboard. You can use a table or even simple bullet points to list every current project you're handling. For each one, add the project name, the status, and your expected completion date. The goal here is to make it easy to see everything at a glance without digging through multiple notes or apps. Once your master list is in place, the next step is to build individual project hubs. Go back to the sidebar and create another new notebook called Project Archives. This notebook is where you'll store the detailed notes for each separate project. Now create a note for your specific project, for example, Project Home Renovation. You can do the same thing for anything else, like a vacation plan, a fitness goal, a content calendar, or a business idea. Inside that project note, add all the important information you need. One of the best things about Evernote is that you can drag and drop supporting files directly into the note. So if you have PDFs, images, spreadsheets, receipts, checklists, or reference documents, just drop them in. That way, everything related to the project stays together in one place, instead of getting scattered across folders and downloads. Now let's make the project note even more useful by adding tasks. Click the Insert menu, or simply type the / key on your keyboard to bring up quick insert options. From there, add checkboxes or tasks to create a to-do list inside the project note. This is great, because now you can break the project into clear action steps, and every item stays connected to the project itself. Instead of writing tasks somewhere separate and losing track of them, Evernote keeps the context right next to the work. After that, the next step is to link your notes together. Open your project note, then right-click it or use the top right menu and choose Copy App Link. This creates a direct link to that note. Now go back to your Active Projects Tracker note. Find the project name in your list, highlight it, and paste the link. Now that project name becomes a clickable shortcut that opens the full project hub instantly. This is one of the best ways to move around your setup faster, especially when you have multiple projects going at once. The final step is to add context with Evernote Tasks. Click the Tasks icon in the left sidebar, and you'll see all of your to-dos from every project in one place. This view is really helpful because it gives you a bird's-eye look at everything that needs attention. You can assign due dates to your action items and set reminders for deadlines that matter most. And because tasks are connected to your notes, when you click a task, Evernote opens the exact project note it belongs to. That means you always have the context you need before taking action. So now you have a simple but effective Evernote system for managing personal projects. You've got a master project list, individual project hubs, linked notes, supporting files, and tasks all working together. This setup makes it much easier to stay organized, reduce stress, and actually move your projects forward. If this video helped you, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more practical tutorials like this one. And if you want, I can also show you how to build a more advanced Evernote system for goals, habits, and weekly planning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.